Hello everybody, thanks for joining us today. It's time to make another cocktail. Today we're going to look for something that's refreshing, something that's sweet, something that's tasty, and most of all, it just makes you feel good on a hot summer day. Today we're making a daiquiri. This one happens to be best early in the season, early in the summertime, when the strawberries are fresh. Yep, it's a strawberry daiquiri. If you like our channel, please hit the subscribe button at the end. If you see a cocktail that you like, please hit the like button, leave us a comment. Tell us what you like about it. If you have a cocktail that you want to see us make, and we haven't seen us make it yet, leave it in the comments, let us know. We'll be more than happy to try it for you. So let's get pouring. We are going to start by taking the shaker glass and we're going to add some strawberries. I've got about 5 strawberries. I've cut them in half here. We're going to put those in the shaker glass. And then I'm going to add 1 ounce of simple syrup. And once again, half sugar, half water. That's going to go in our glass. And then we're going to muddle that up. Now, depending on the time of the year, the berries can sometimes be a little bit tart. If that's the case, you may want to add a little bit more syrup. Sometimes the berries are sweet. You don't need as much simple syrup. It all really depends on what your taste is. The other thing that you can do is you can change the amount of berries. I've put in 5 berries. I don't think you can ever put in enough berries because who doesn't love a good strawberry flavor? Once you've got that broken down and you want to have a couple ounces of juice in there, it's time to add the lime juice. We are going to use 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice because we do know that fresh is best. So that's going in there. Next is rum. Now, today we're using Sammy's Beach Bar White Rum. You can use dark rum, you can use light rum, you can use aged rum, you can use spiced rum, any rum you want. This is really about how you want it to taste. I'm picking the white rum today because it's nice, it's crisp, it's clear, and it really lets the flavor of the berries come out. So that goes in the glass. Now we are going to put some ice in the glass. The crushed ice goes in here good. What it's going to help us do is break down those berries a little bit more. It's going to chill that cocktail. So let's give this a good shake. When you feel that bottom of that tin cold and you start to see it sweat, that's a good indication that it's where you want it. Next, we get to pour. So if we take a coupe glass, we put that out there, and this one takes a little bit more work because of the berry pulp in there and the seeds. You need to double strain that. So a fine mesh strainer and your Hawthorne strainer, and it's a slow process. Look at that berry goodness. With that done, there's only one last thing to do, and that's garnish. What we've done today is we've taken a nice, good-looking strawberry, put a couple pieces of lime on there, and that is our strawberry daiquiri. And Hark.
I've been waiting for this one.
You've been waiting for this one? Go
Yes.
ahead, give it a taste.
Looks good. Oh, that's berry-licious.
What did you say it was?
Berry-licious.
Berry-licious. How much better does it get? Enjoy, folks. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you the next time.